Sorry to be the one to have to tell you this, but you are not just going to wake up one day and magically have the energy to do something. Your biggest excuse is, I don't have the energy. You think one day you're just going to wake up and that energy is going to come to you? How do you think that's going to work? You're not just going to wake up and magically be like, oh, I'm ready to go and finally do all of the things that I've been putting on. It's not how that's going to work. Energy is going to happen when you get up and start doing stuff. And let me explain this to you, okay? When you are sitting down all day long, if you are making excuses all day long, scrolling on your phone and sitting on the couch, you don't need energy for. Your body's not going to give you energy to do those things because you don't need energy to do it. So if that's been your normal routine, it's just sitting down and being lazy, your body's like, I don't need to give her energy to sit down and be lazy. I don't need to give you energy to sit down and scroll your phone all day. I don't need to give you energy. So your body is in this cycle of not thinking that you need energy to do what you need to do each day. The only way that's going to change is by getting up and fighting that. By starting to do it and
Okay, I'm a little embarrassed to admit this, but I'm gonna let you guys in on a little secret, and it's the fact that my fridge has looked like this for the past couple of months, and also show you guys how I took my fridge from looking like something exploded in it to a way more organized and clean fridge. I like to have everything in a particular place and nothing can really be out of sort. Yeah, that's not the case when it comes to my refrigerator. I do periodically like go through it and make sure there's nothing expired or moldy in there, so it's not like disgusting, but it was very, very disorganized to say the least, and very much in need of a deep clean. If you related to anything I said in this video, then make sure to follow me for more organizational videos. I'm getting my whole life in order this year, and that's that.
stock my fridge with me.
Got my groceries for the week, and my fridge is in desperate need of a clean out. I'm almost a little embarrassed to show it because it's a little bad. Let's do a fridge clean out and restock together.
Do you know how everyone has a junk drawer in their kitchen?
Mine is on top of my fridge, and it has been the biggest eyesore for the past 2 months, and it really makes the kitchen look so dirty. And I meant to clear this off a lot sooner because I started cleaning and organizing, decluttering my kitchen a few weeks ago. But then I also started a project in my living room, so I have 2 projects going on at once because only having one project to do is boring, and I love chaos in my life. If you hear a dog whining and complaining in the background, do not worry. He is not being mistreated. He is my parents' dog. He's mad right now because I shut him up in another room because he loves to jump on the table and eat food out of my kids' hands. And they're eating breakfast, but I promise he's okay. Also, I think I am in TikTok jail because I woke up this morning to a notification that one of my comments was taken down because it went against the guideline. I was like, what? So I looked at the comment, and you know what the comment said? That is the best waitress. So I can't figure out if TikTok has a problem with me or against waitresses.